Stay tuned to watch me create this abstract canvas art. I wanted to reuse an old canvas, so I started out with this canvas that I did string art on and painted it with a coat of white paint twice. And then for my little mini canvases, I am going to do the pour paint technique, and that's just where you add paint to a cup or whatever you want to use and flip it over onto the canvas, and then you will pull the cup up, allowing the paint to pour out over the canvas, and it will create its own design, and it's free flowing, and it creates really cool patterns. This is one of my favorite ways to do pour art. Now, I did go ahead and move them around to help the paint flow to each corner of the little mini canvases, but you can leave them alone and let the paint settle as it will. Once I got my paint around the whole canvas, I decided to go ahead and add some of my glass shatter, and I completely just made up patterns as to how I wanted to add this glass shatter. Now, you can go a step further after this and cover all of your little mini canvases in resin, or you can do it the way that I'm going to do it, which is by spraying the acrylic sealant spray. It's completely up to you on how you want to finish off your projects. But you'll add your glass to your liking. Then I went in and added some bronze foil leaf to a few of the little mini canvases. And here is the abstract canvas art using the mini canvases. I think it came out really cute and unique. You can really put these anywhere. I just really felt like creating, and this is what came out of it. Now for the big canvas, I truly did run out of white paint, because you'll need paint to act as a free-flowing agent. So you see, I just kind of started adding the paint, and when it didn't flow like I wanted, I just used my hands to spread it around the canvas. Then I used one of these little plastic tools. Usually you can use it in cake decorating, but I used it to add little mini circles or half circles all through the paint. And as you can see, I was working as sunset was setting, so the sun kept moving. And here is the finished large abstract canvas art. I like how it came out. Adding the little circles or spirals into the paint really changed the way it looked, in my opinion. And then of course I just sprinkled it with silver glitter and used a little bit of the silver foil added in just to create different textures. I really like how it came out. What do you guys think? Is this something that you would try? If so, leave me a comment down below and let me know what colors you would use. Thanks for watching my video this week and coming along on this artistic expression journey. I just really wanted to create something, and I thought I would bring you guys along with me. Let me know if you like these type of videos. Make sure that you like the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell for notifications, and share this with a friend. Wherever you are and whatever you're doing, I hope you're having a great day, and always keep creating. All right, love you guys. Bye.